You know, I belong to a generation where there was no whipped cream. Basically, what we enjoyed were the simple types of snacks like putting condensed milk on a soft bun like this. This is really something that I grew up with. And today, we're going to make a really easy to prepare and nice dessert made out of evaporated milk and condensed milk. Our recipe for today is a very simple recipe, so easy to follow. It makes use of Carnation condensada and Carnation evap. This is a very simple, creamy custard croquette. When you do this, you can serve it with so many things. You can serve it with fresh fruit, you can serve it with ice cream. But let's make the croquette first. We're going to need some egg yolks. We're going to melt this butter. We are going to put cornstarch and flour to create a thickener. We're cooking this into a paste so that the flavor of our custard doesn't taste floury. This is very important. The custard base is made out of 3 egg yolks, 1 whole can of Carnation condensed milk, and half of the evaporated milk. This will make for a nice and smooth custard. We put it in. Okay, let's blend this well, and we'll start cooking it over low heat. Okay, we're going to smoothen this out by adding the rest of the evaporated milk. From hot, I have cooled this to warm, and you can see this is very smooth. Okay, and time to put our extract. A couple of teaspoons of vanilla, half a teaspoon of lemon extract, and we have our croquette base. Condensed milk, since we grew up with it, we would make several things. We would make caramels, we would coat apples with it. I could do 101 things with condensed milk, and I also love saging con hielo. You get some saba, you cook it in brown sugar, then add some evap, shaved ice. Ooh, nice dessert. And what we want to do now is divide this custard and get it to solidify in the ref by putting it in 2 tablespoon portions. We're going to put it on a non-stick surface like this silicone sheet that we're using right now, this Silpro. So here, just divide it and you have enough to make 30 croquettes. Well, this is fresh out of the chiller, as you can see. So what are we going to do? We're going to coat this in flour, cover with egg, turn in flour again, cover in egg again, a 3rd coating of flour, another coating of egg, and Panko breadcrumbs. All right, and we have our croquettes, they're ready, and we're going to do a deep fry now. If there is already an escape of custard, that means that the custard is boiling inside. You gotta take it out already. These are just about ready. Okay. Okay, while it's hot, you gotta serve these freshly fried croquettes. Oh, look at that. And to have the beautiful hot and cold experience, there's your ice cream. Well, that's a crispy outer coating with really hot custard. Look at that. So simple, so easy, great dessert. Carnation custard croquettes. Chef Gene here. If you like my video, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And hit the like button